people. This is awesome. Catherine, wave hi. I'm doing a video. Thomas, wave hi. Woo! Right on. Excuse me. Excuse me. Wave hi, people! Hi! Hi! Hello! Hello! Hi! Where are you? Oh gosh, we need more light. There you are. Woo! Wave hi, everyone. Happy birthday!
Oh, thank you.
Happy
Good to
birthday!
see you again.
It's so good to see you. How was Mexican?
Oh, it was very good.
That's Tom and mine's favorite food. I told your mom that's the best place to go. They'll sing you a happy birthday song. It's the best place. Oh, it's nice to meet you. I'm so glad you came. We're doing it again next year. Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Yes, next year. We'll do it again. Say hi, guys. I'm on video. I'm doing video.
Hi guys.
Hi, guys.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Oh, there's the grill master. High five.
Grill master.
Yeah.
The chef.
Yeah. Woo! That was a
Excellent
nice party, yes. You guys can still hang around. Don't go anywhere.
We gotta leave it.
Oh, stop it. Don't tease. How was it? Was it all you dreamed it would be? Okay, good.
Party, what a party!
I love you! I loved it. Oh, there you are. You made it. I'm so glad. So you had a good time. I'm doing a video. I hope you don't mind. Hello. Oh, I'm so glad you liked it. John, what did you think?
This
Beautiful.
was fabulous. Fabulous party, Jessica. You're
was
the
beautiful.
best.
Oh, I love it. Oh, thank you, thank you. Mwah. I'm so glad. We're doing it again next year.
Okay, we'll be here.
Yes, sir. Pammy, you made it. Those are your friends. I'm like, oh. Alright, I'm glad you guys had fun. There's like beer, coolers, help yourself, a ton. We got a keg of that, I think. Oh, that's Grolsch? We have Heineken. You guys help yourself, there's a ton. I don't want to have it for breakfast. Alright. Hey, how was it?
Cheese.
Yay! Oh my god, we are doing that again. That was a blast. Super cool. How was it, Alan?
Great.
Yeah, I'm so glad you liked it. Alright, cool. Let's stop the video. Ingrid, did you love it?
Hey, what do you say to Jessica about her party?
Did you like it? I'm doing a video.
Oh, okay. Did you like the
She's
party?
posing. It's a video. Yay! Thumbs up, Jess.
Slide it right down.
Thank you. You're welcome. Smile. Oh. How was it? Yes? Good? We pulled it off?
Sure.
Awesome.
Let me have a box to help you to pick it up.
No, I'll worry about it tomorrow. Don't you dare. Don't worry. How was it, honey?
What are those guns for Nicholas?
Say that again. How'd you like it, girls? It's a video. How was it?
Very enjoyable.
We're doing it again next year.
However, I think that Livingston has better fireworks. What do you think, Caroline?
But they don't have better parties.
party beats them all.
Okay, yes it does. Thank you very much. Jess, yes.
Thank you so much.
You're so welcome. I'm so glad.